Today we're going to discuss success and happiness. In this module, you're going to understand the power of gratitude, you're going to learn how to be 25% happier, and you're going to learn one secret in particular that will help you be healthier, have more energy, have more friends, become more attractive, and be more helpful. You're going to learn a daily trick to fight depression, and you're going to learn 6 easy ways to be happier now. I'm also going to show you how to put more happiness in your everyday living of your American dream. Today we're going to discuss success and happiness. In the mid-1920s, there was a very successful and famous business tycoon named Mr. Moody. Now, Mr. Moody, despite having his lavish lifestyle, was neither happy nor at peace with his own life. One day, as Mr. Moody entered his large and spacious high-rise building, he noticed a window washer. Now, this window washer was a curiously happy fellow. The businessman observed carefully how extremely happy the employee was as he whistled a catchy little tune and worked with a cheerful bounce in his step as he cleaned the tall glass windows just outside the lobby of the businessman's high-rise building. The businessman pondered deeply how this simple window washer could be so happy, while he, a wealthy businessman who had it all, could be so miserable. Every day for the next week, the businessman would seek out the opportunity to observe the window washer, and each time he would find him cheerfully engaged in his work. The businessman could take it no longer, and he finally asked the window washer, "Why are you so happy?" The worker smiled and answered, "Sir, although I am a simple window washer, my family and I have our needs met. We have love of family, adequate food, warm beds, and a roof overhead. What more could one ask for?" The businessman was less than satisfied with his employee's response, and he sought the counsel of a longtime friend and trusted advisor. When the friend heard about the window washer, he told the businessman his assessment of the problem, saying, "My dear friend, the reason that you find him so happy is that he has never been part of the One More Society." "One More Society?" said the businessman. "I'm not familiar with that. What is it?" The friend replied, "The only way to understand the One More Society is for me to show you. First," he told the businessman, "put 99 gold coins into a bag and deliver the bag to the doorstep of the window washer. Then observe the window washer, and he will teach you all about the One More Society." The next day, when the window washer arrived home after a long day at work, he found a bag of gold coins on his front doorstep. He had never seen so many gold coins before, and his hands began to tremble as he started counting them. When he counted only 99 coins, he thought he had miscounted and began recounting. He counted them over and over and over again, each time counting only 99 coins. He knew there must be a mistake, and he wondered what happened to the 100th coin. Surely nobody would give just 99 coins. He knew his unknown benefactor must have given him 100. Maybe in his haste to begin counting, he had dropped one. He began looking everywhere, but he could not find the lost coin. Completely drained emotionally and physically exhausted, he finally came to the conclusion that he would have to expend every resource and every effort to earn back that last gold coin. From then on, the window washer's life was never the same. He became obsessed with earning just one more gold coin. He worked tirelessly. He focused all of his time and all of his energy on that one gold coin. His personality changed, and he became irritated and cross. He was never the same happy person that he had always been. He began criticizing his family for not pitching in to help to earn that last gold coin. He was grumpy at work, and from that day on, the businessman never again heard the window washer whistle while he worked. Witnessing this fundamental change in the window washer, the businessman was mystified. He could not understand it. Once again, he turned to his trusted friend and advisor for counsel, who said, "My dear friend, now your once happy employee has become a member of the One More Society. The One More Society is simply a group of people comprised of those who have enough to be happy but are not content with what they have. They want more. I call them the One More Society because they continuously look and work for just one more thing. The window washer wanted just one more gold coin. They tell themselves, I just have to accomplish this one more ambition and then I will be happy. Yet they continue unhappily in this way for the rest of their life, always seeking a phantom, fleeting illusion of joy, but never finding real fulfillment or peace of mind. The businessman smiled, finally understanding the source of his own unhappiness. The success that you should take with you as your constant traveling companion on your success journey is the success of being happy. Success is being happy. If you are not happy, then what good is success? In fact, is unhappiness success at all? I have seen so many in their quest for living the American dream walk right past living and focus only on the dream. There's nothing wrong with having a goal or reaching your full potential. In fact, that is what God intended. But He would also intend that we be happy and have joy. God never intended for us to pursue a goal or ambition to the point of obsession like Sméagol in Lord of the Rings, who sought for nothing but his precious ring. He was the most miserable of creatures. Your life can be full and rich, but abundance of life has to be full of all the treasures in life, not just a single obsession. Family, friends, contribution, learning, personal development, kindness, caring for one another, and even happiness itself are also great treasures in our life that make it all worthwhile. It's not just about the gold, unless you're a member of the One More Society. And by the way, it's not just one more gold coin that can induct us into that society. It can be one more business deal, one more car in the garage, one more vacation home, or one more hour at work each day. It can be a myriad of obsessions. You have so much now to be thankful for, and you can be as happy as you choose to be. For you see, every choice you make affects your lifestyle negatively or positively. But in the end, you make the choice to be miserable or happy. Choose to be happy. Don't misspend your time obsessing about things. One more thing won't make you happy. Yes, of course, seek a better life while you enjoy your current blessings. They are all around you. Live. Enjoy your life. Don't be a slave to your obsessions. Live the American dream of freedom and happiness. That's how you enjoy the journey of living and fulfilling your dream every day. It's a lifestyle, not an obsession. Live the American dream. Live the pursuit of happiness that's part of this great American heritage. America's founders embedded the idea of the American dream in our founding documents. I'm talking about our right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness that is so often quoted from the Declaration of Independence. So exercise your right to pursue happiness. After life and liberty, the success that matters more than all others combined is happiness.